Kajabi is an online tool. I mean, Kajabi is all-in-one tool, okay, which is required to build your online business, right? So everything you need to know, you don't need any hosting, okay? You don't need any email marketing software. So everything is here. I'll walk through. I'll walk through about the Kajabi, which I'm using to building my own business, okay? So make sure you watch till the end. So here you can see that there is a option called dashboard and the products sales website. Okay. So if I go to the website pages and design and the pages, if I go to the pages, so it will show you landing pages and you can create unlimited landing pages. Okay. If you want to start with Kajabi, so I'll suggest go to this link dnlhub.com/Kajabi. So it will show you this page. Okay. And you can read all the informations here. Once you did, this is my affiliate link with full disclosure. Okay. So because if you go directly to the Kajabi website, it will show you 14 days free trial. But if you go through my link, this is my affiliate link. So if you go through my link and later on, if you are the paying member of Kajabi, then definitely I'll get some commission, and that will help to create more videos like this. Okay. So once you create here, once you sign up through my affiliate link, you will receive email. Okay. So I'm giving these bonuses. Number one is personal meeting. You can take my help to set up your system. Okay. 30 minutes Zoom call, and you will get access to private Facebook group, that is support system. Okay. So in this support system, all over the world, Kajabi users is there. So there is a great opportunity to networking. Okay. So once you go through my affiliate link, you will get instant email through these bonuses. Okay. So let me show you. Once you click here, start my free trial, it will show you to the Kajabi page. Okay. Now what you can do, you can just click here, start for free, or you can click here, claim your free 30-day trial, and you can proceed further. You can sign up. Okay. Now let's get back. Once you sign up, it will show you like this. So in the website option, it is pages and then landing, website landing, and then funnels. If you go to the landing, you will see all the landing pages, and you can create unlimited landing pages. There are no any restrictions. Okay. So till now I have created 26 landing pages, you can see, and you can create unlimited landing pages. There are no anything, and you can also build websites, right? So if I go to the websites here, okay, I'll show you my website. I did not work, too much, but let me show you. If I go to the preview, so let me preview my website. So it's very simple. All right. And you can see here. So same like this, you can create websites very beautifully. Okay. Now let's get back. You can pages and blog. You can also post your blog, right? You can post your blog. I'm not using this feature, but soon I will use. Now let's go back to, let's go to the marketing. So in the marketing, you will see all the email marketing things. There's the email campaigns. If I go to the email campaigns, so you can see here, there is two options. Okay. Once you click on new email campaign, it will show you email broadcast and email sequence, right? If you want to send some emails, let's say you have created some products and you're launching some products, so definitely you can broadcast email and you can email to all the subscribers. And there is the email sequence option. Okay. Once you click on email sequence, it will ask you to name, title. Okay. So you can do that. I'm not doing this. So see, you can create email sequence. If I show you here, you can see the sequence option. So these emails sequence I have created 10 emails. I have created 10 emails over 9 days. It means this one is emails after auto webinar opt-in. So if any people will opt in for my webinar, so that my email marketing system will follow up 9 days, till 9 days. I don't have to do anything. Okay. Backend system will do. Kajabi is doing backend system for me. Right. Let me show you. If I click here, let me show you. See here, welcome email auto webinar link. So once people opt in, immediately they will get this email. Okay. And day one, next day, they will get this email. Okay. Day 2, day 3, you can see that, right? Day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9, right? I don't have to follow up actively. So Kajabi is doing follow up, very smartly. Now I show you the here, the marketing systems. So in the email campaign, funnel, automations, events, and there is a form. Okay. There is form sections. If you create any landing page and if you want people to register name, email like this, so you have to create the forms. Okay. You have to create the forms and then you have to add here. Now let me show you, demo. Here we go to the websites. Okay. If I go to the websites and if I go to the pages, so you can create unlimited landing pages. If you go to the landing page, there is a ready-made already. There are so many beautiful landing pages are there. Let me show you. Once you go to the websites and then pages and then landing, all you have to do is click here, new landing page. Okay. Once you click, you will see there is also blank option. You can start from scratch, or you can see the beautiful landing pages here. Okay. See here, anyone you can use, anyone, whichever you like. So I'll walk through it. Yeah, can you see? So anyone you can use. If you, let's say for example, if you want to use this one, okay. So all you have to do is click here. It will show you preview here. Can I see this? Right? Or if you want to start, you have to click get started, and let's say demo purpose. Okay, you have to name, title, and then click create. Right? So we are about to go optimizing mainframe connectivity. All right, let's go. So once you click create, it will show you like this page. Let me show you. So everything you can customize. That is the best thing. You can customize everything. If you want to change the picture, okay, this backside picture you can change definitely. If you want to change everything you can customize. Okay, see, once you click here, you can also, you can also customize this one is prosper, it's image. You can also select image option and you can upload a new file here. All right, once you click here, and if you click here, you can write anything, it will show here. Okay, right? So let's say if I write join me like, yeah, so anything you can customize. And see, there is a section. If you want to, let's say if you want to add more sections here at the bottom, okay, so all you have to click add content. And if I click here add content, if you want to add call to action, okay, if you want to add call to action, you can add call to action here. Right, see here, it's coming here. Now what you can do, you can also you can also switch. If I go back, and if you want to switch over this, you can definitely switch. So any section you can switch. If you want to switch this text here, you can switch. It will automatically come up like this. All right, Now, if I show you, you can add countdown, you can add linked list, images, offers, video, text, video embed, right? Let's say you want to add countdown. Okay, so definitely you can add countdown here. Once you click here and add section, click countdown. See here, this is added, and you can edit anything, call to action, this text button, right? So everything is customizable. All right, so this is just for demo purpose. I show you. Now let's go back. Yeah, so in the website I show you the pages, right? You can also post blog, and then marketing is all email, and contacts is all your email subscriber will be here. Whenever the people will subscribe your emails, anything, you can see here all the emails, right? So till now I have 290 contacts, 92. Okay, and if I go to the insights, you can see all the insights here. Insights, okay, and you can see here also analytics. Right, so everything you can see. I mean, you can track your business very well. And if I go here, see settings, there is a marketing settings. Okay, so once you sign up, you have to check some settings. Okay, marketing settings, and then site details. All right, you can take help from me to set up your Kajabi. All right, now, so these are the overview. Let's see here. Yeah, so if you want to start with Kajabi, check out the link in the description, dnlhub.com/Kajabi. You'll get 30-day free trial, and you'll get 2 bonuses. Once you sign up through my affiliate link, you will get instant email with 2 bonuses, and you will get the link to book meeting with me. So you can take help. You can take my help to set up your Kajabi. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Have a good day.